How's it going? Could I ask you a question?
Sure.
What are you doing?
Restoration. Just doing the whole thing, man.
Nice. You're just gonna, like, I don't know, how do you restore a statue?
Lots of scrubbing. We use some chemicals to take off staining due to brass stains.
Yeah.
Right? And we had to replace the gun barrel. All sorts of patching into the stone where it's been knocked off and stuff like that.
Oh yeah, that's good. What company do you work for?
GA Mason.
And you guys were hired by the...
I'm not sure actually. We were hired by the, I'm not sure what architect it is.
Okay.
But an engineering firm, they pass all the chemicals off, some of the engineers. And I think they were either hired by the city of Red Deer, and it might have been city of Red Deer and maybe the, what do you call it, all the old guys, you know, the ex-military guys.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, whatever.
Commissioner.
Yeah, something like that. I think that's who's paying for it.
Cool.
Pretty sure.
How long?
The historical foundation too. Yeah.
How long are you guys working on this?
It'll be 2 weeks on Friday, so I think this Thursday is supposed to be the final inspection or whatever by the architect.
Nice.
So hopefully we're out of here by this Thursday.
Sounds good.
Yeah,
cool.
Sure.
Here, I'll give you my card. I'm Mike Richard. Nice to meet you.
Mike Richard.
Let me shake your hand.
Nice to meet you.
What's your name?
Matt.
Matt? Nice
to meet you, man.
Cool. Well, take it easy.
Yeah, you too, pal. Have a good one.
Yeah. And as I bring this long account to close, I can think nothing of more appropriate to say to my family and to my friends and colleagues of half a century, all of whom I thank with a full heart. And then, I don't know about you guys, but I had a wonderful day. So this is an interesting book I just bought. It's called Diary 1988, Secretary of the Cabinet. Yes, Prime Minister, Sir Humphrey Appleby, KCB, strictly confidential. And it's actually this Prime Minister's diary, and it goes through and it lists all the entries that he made, and he's talking about politics and government and what it's really like to be in government. And I don't know if it's real, but I don't know, it has, like, it's all just copies of pages. And even on the back, it's just a copy of a page. It says, "The Campaign for Personal Information. Dear Sir Humphrey, we are delighted that you have accepted our invitation to become a patron of the Campaign for Freedom of Information after your retirement from the civil service. We note your provision that you intend to work for the freedom of information wherever it is in the public interest. Sincerely yours, with compliments, Des Wilson." So basically, there's this letter that says, "We're going to publish this. Thanks." And that's what's on the back. I don't know. It's really interesting. I'm this far into it, and you can see it's just a bunch of entries. It's really cool.